typical morning routine living in Lisbon, Portugal. I always try to wake up early in the morning, but I have to admit that this has never been natural for me because my whole life I considered myself more of a night owl, and waking up early has always been quite difficult. But despite that, I constantly try to discipline myself and build the habit of getting up earlier. And also, I really like this feeling of having a long day ahead of me when you wake up early, and also this quiet, slow, dark morning when the city is still asleep. So, my typical day starts with this. We wake up together with my girlfriend and our two cats, Ellie and Fabi. Portugal is a very sunny country, and Lisbon in particular has around 300 sunny days a year. So in the mornings, usually it is a lot of sunlight in our living room. The first thing I usually see when I walk into the living room is our cat Ellie sitting by the window. He has this funny little ritual where he wakes up even earlier than all of us, and he sits in exact the same place every morning watching the sunrise. So I say good morning to Ellie and then I go to my bathroom. My skincare routine is quite minimalist and simple. I brush my teeth, wash my face with a cleanser and also use a toner, and then on top usually I add a serum or a cream. And honestly, it really depends on how I feel on that day, depending on which product I want to use. Right now, I am obsessed with this brand that's called Typology. It has really good formulas for my skin and also it's really beautiful. And as a designer, I also really like the aesthetic of the bottles. I also really love Korean brands and Korean cosmetics. After I finish my morning routine and skincare routine in the bathroom, usually I start the day with the cleaning the apartment. I really like doing this in the morning because this is the moment when I have the most energy and it feels very natural and very satisfying to create a calm and clean environment before the day properly begins. For me, the space around me has a huge influence on how I feel and how productive I am during the day. Is it the same for you? Let me know in the comments. So starting the day with a clean home makes everything much more organized. First, I usually do dusting and wiping all the surfaces. I clean the tables, the shelves, the kitchen surfaces, and just anything that I see. I often use a cleanser from Zara Home that has this green tea scent. I really love this type of smells, and quite often I also make my own cleaning solution using just water, vinegar and lemon. It's very simple, it's completely natural, hypoallergenic for most of the people, and it works quite well for almost everything in the apartment. I also really love just using baking soda for certain things because it's another way of natural, effective cleaning product, and especially since I clean every day, I prefer using simple and natural ingredients. I also really like to open the windows to get some fresh air from the outside world. After this, I like to take a harder brush and then I clean the soft furniture, like sofa and chairs. I remove small cat hair and small dust. We have Devon Rex cats. They don't have a lot of fur, but still like small hair might appear. And after that, my favorite part of the day is vacuuming. I vacuum the entire apartment, I go through all the rooms and make sure everything feels fresh again. Also important part of the morning routine is to clean our cat's bathroom. Sometimes I also wash the floors, but it's not everyday task. Maybe for some people it might sound like a lot of cleaning in the morning, but in reality for me it doesn't take very long and it really changes the atmosphere of the whole home and my mood. Sometimes I still have enough time and energy. I even wash the floors as well, but vacuuming is always part of the routine. When everything is clean, the light comes in through the windows and the apartment feels calm and organized. I think it immediately puts me in a much better mindset for the rest of the day. And after cleaning, I usually go to the kitchen and then I clean there and prepare the breakfast. My girlfriend normally cooks lunches and dinners, and I often take care of breakfast. Most of the time it's something quite simple, like scrambled eggs, toast, or something light and easy to make, but at the same time nutritious. And after I finish cleaning, I also usually take a few minutes to do some very simple stretching, nothing complicated or intense, just a few slow moments to wake up my body and release stiffness. I usually stretch near the window where the light comes into the living room. And of course, our cats, Fabi and Daily, always want to be part of this routine as well. Also, I really like to sit down and do the priority list for the day. Later in the day, when we finish our work, we usually try to go somewhere outside. One of the reasons we moved to Lisbon is because life here is very much connected to being outdoors. So very often we drive somewhere. Sometimes it is the city, sometimes it's closer to the ocean, to the beaches, sometimes it can be somewhere in the nature. We try to leave the house and go somewhere almost every day. And if it's not something far, at least we try to go for a walk in the park nearby. And this is it. This is how a typical day looks like for me here in Lisbon, in Portugal. Just simple routines, a lot of sunlight, a lot of work, of course, and a lot of small everyday rituals and moments that make life happy. Let me know if you like this kind of videos. I'm trying to share more of our lifestyle routine moments here on this channel. Let me know if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to leave a comment, to give a thumbs up, and to subscribe to my channel for more videos. As always, stay inspired and see you soon!